1917 was the year that Oris made their first pilot watch. And as it's become the new trend, reissues of vintage watches are becoming more and more common. And that is where the Oris Big Crown 1917 comes in. It is a modern day, vintage inspired salute to the past while keeping things up to the minute. The watch is limited to 1917 pieces worldwide. This number is engraved on the solid polished steel case back, along with which the number of the individual piece is engraved as well. The side of the round pebble-shaped case has a polished finish, and so does the fixed bezel ring. On the right side is an oversized onion-style crown, and just on the top of the winding crown is a pusher. This push-operated button adjusted time, and it was something they also brought back from the original model. And this is an element that Oris felt should be present on this watch to keep things authentic and true to the original as much as possible. A domed sapphire crystal covers and protects the fine-grained texture silver dial. The Arabic style numerals use a shade of superluminova called light oat radium that has the tone of the radium used in the past. Even though the case is 40mm, it wears somewhat small, but wearing it with the cuff adds to the wrist presence and makes it appear to be a bit larger on the wrist than it really is. Inside the 40mm polished stainless steel case is the heart that powers the Big Crown 1917, the Oris Caliber 732. It is based on a Salita SW200, and this automatic movement has a beat of 28,800 VPH. And has an approximately 38-hour power reserve when fully wound. Retail price on this watch is around $3,000, which to be honest feels like a really steep price. Yeah, it is limited to 1,917 pieces worldwide, but I think the market for this piece is limited to collectors or Oris fanboys. It is a pretty hard model to come by, and Oris connoisseurs go crazy when they see it in the flesh. My advice would be, wait for it to come up for sale on the gray market. But what do you think?